Hey there, little readers! Welcome to our Preschool Learning Explainer. I'm just so incredibly excited to have you here today. So, let me ask you a super important question. Are you ready to become reading superstars? You are? Awesome! Because today, we're going on a magical phonics blending adventure, and it is the ultimate path to true reading mastery. We're going to learn exactly how to take little sounds, put them together, and read whole words like it's absolute magic. Let's get started.
All right, here's our adventure map for today. First, we'll welcome our reading superstars, then conquer level 1 with short words and move right into level 2 for bigger words. After that, we'll uncover the true power of blending, and we'll wrap it all up with a massive final reading challenge.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Welcome, reading superstars. Let's learn to blend. You know, your brains are already so strong, and today we're going to unlock a brand new reading superpower called blending. So blending is basically when we take little individual sounds and just kind of squish them together to make a big word. Now, it might sound a bit tricky right now, but I promise you're going to be amazing at this. Let me show you exactly how it works. Let's sound these out one by one. Step 1, we have the letter C, which makes a K sound. Step 2, we have the letter U, making an sound. And step 3, the letter P, which makes a P sound. Now, let's try blending them. K, P. Let's go faster. K, P, cup. You literally just made the word cup. See how magical that is?
All right, level 1, short words. Easy as 1, 2, 3.
For this first level, I really need your help. I want you to read the words out loud right after I do. Use your big, strong reading voices so I can hear you all the way from here. Ready? Let's go. Let's try this first one. P, N. Pin. Okay, now you say it. Pin? Awesome. Let's do it just one more time. Pin. Great job.
Okay, here comes our next word. Hop. Now it's your turn. Hop. Man, look at you go. Let's keep that energy up. Ready? Hop. Fantastic. You're doing so well with these short sounds. Try this one. F-O-X. Fox. Shout it out. Fox. Oh, wow, that was excellent. Everyone, give yourselves a huge, loud clap right now. You did a really great job in level 1. I mean, you are total natural readers.
Let's move right into level 2, bigger words. Getting stronger. You have officially mastered the short words, and those reading muscles are getting stronger and smarter every single day. So now we're going to look at some slightly bigger words. But hey, don't worry, because your superpower of blending works the exact same way here. We just have a few more letters, but we're just going to blend those sounds together like we did before. T, I, N. Train. Can you say train? Choo-choo. Really great reading. Now let's look at this beautiful word right here. Let's blend it. S, P, N. Spring. Say it with me now. Spring. Seriously, your reading is absolutely amazing. You're stringing so many sounds together without even breaking a sweat. Oh, here is a really fun one. S, P, L, A, sh. Splash. Can you make a giant splash sound and read the word for me? Splash. Wow. A huge congratulations to you for conquering level 2 like true reading heroes. You handled those bigger words like an absolute pro.
Moving on to section 4, the power of blending. Your new superpower.
So, we've been having so much fun reading words today, but let's take a really quick pause. Why is blending actually so important for our adventures? Well, blending is the ultimate superpower of putting individual sounds together so we can read new words easily. Think about it. When you're reading your favorite stories and you come across a tricky, brand new word that you've literally never seen before, you don't have to guess. You just use your blending superpower to sound it out piece by piece until you completely unlock it.
And you know what? Every superhero gets rewards. Because you can blend, you get these awesome superpower rewards. Number 1, it makes us much faster readers. You're going to just zoom right through those pages. Number 2, it makes us smarter readers. Your brain is literally growing every single time you blend. And number 3, it helps us enjoy books even more. When reading is easier, the stories really come to life, and our adventures just get even bigger. This matters so much for all the incredible books you're going to read in the future.
And that brings us to the final reading challenge. Boss battle time! All right, superstars, you have learned the skills, you know the power. It's time for the final reading challenge. This is boss battle time. You're going to have to use your brand new blending superpower to beat me to the punch. I know for sure you can do it. So here's the challenge. Can you read these words before I do? I'm going to put a word up and I will wait quietly. Your job is to blend the sounds and shout the correct word at the screen as fast as you can before I reveal the answer. Are you ready? Set, go!
Bug? Did you say bug? If you did, you just scored a massive point. Awesome job. Let's jump to the next one.
Smile. Did you beat me that time? I bet you totally did. Keep that big smile on your face. We have one more word left in our boss battle.
Plant? Yes! Woohoo! You did it! You officially beat the final reading challenge. Give yourselves a massive round of applause right now.
You are an absolute reading champion. Just look at how far you've come in one short explainer. You tackled short words, you conquered bigger words, and you fully unlocked the ultimate superpower of blending. I am so incredibly proud of you. So, what will your next reading adventure be? Maybe it's a story about fire-breathing dragons, or flying through space, or diving into the deep blue sea. Whatever it is, just remember to keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep reading. Thank you so much for joining me on this adventure today, and I absolutely cannot wait to see what you read next.